Meet Darkwing Dove. Hey Darkwing, say hi. Darkwing's a little white-winged dove that fell out of the nest out of that tree over there. Excuse the laundry. Oh, maybe about a month ago or so. And he has become our little bird, and he's so darn lonely. So whenever we're out here, he joins us, and he's helping me put together some tiny terrariums. Alrighty, jar number 2, Darkwing. Yeah, hi. I don't think you're in the picture anymore. There you are. There you are. Hi. Yeah. Here. He seems very interested in the camera there. But you're on the wrong side of it. You are. Yeah. Come over here. Over here. Come here. Come over here, Darkwing. Yeah? Is that the camera right there? What's it doing over there? What are you doing over there? Such a silly little bird. Does it make a noise? Alright, you back over here to help me again? Thanks. Such a big help. Such a big help. Yes, you are. We're making terrariums for isopods. I have a whole bunch of, what are they called? Magic potion isopods. They're still kind of rare, and they were kind of pricey, and they have just been breeding like crazy. And my little terrarium is now completely full of magic potion isopods. So I'm going to give some to the local pet store here for them to sell. They're all excited about getting magic potion isopods, and I'm all excited for getting rid of a few of them. Let's see. Let's go this way. Put some more dirt in there. Yeah, I don't know. Can you hear all the noises that little Darkwing's making? He is just busy chirping away. He doesn't know how to make big bird sounds yet. He just makes little tiny cheeps. Don't ya? Yes, but you're very chatty. Very chatty, aren't you? Very curious about what's going on. What's going in there? No, it doesn't taste good, does it? No, not for you. The isopods will like it, though. That's what they eat. So here's an interesting development. Darkwing took some of the leaves, the dried up leaves that I'm crushing into here, and kind of put them in a little pile over here, and is now laying in the little pile of leaves. I'm going to have to put some leaves in his aviary. Actually, we think he might be a she, because there's a male white-winged dove that is paying her an awful lot of attention. But she's only like, I don't know, 2 months old. She's still a baby. And the problem is she thinks she's a dog. So when the dogs come out, she jumps down. She doesn't fly. She jumps down onto the ground to greet the dogs. That's kind of a problem. Right? You wouldn't survive. You are not dog friendly. I guess we have a pet. Can you see yourself in there? What do you think? You're really close. You're not very much in focus. Such a silly little bird. Such a silly little bird, aren't you? Yeah. You know what? How do you like this sound? Watch this sound. Ooh. It's a fun sound, isn't it? Yeah. Coming over to investigate? There you go. Yeah.
This is Darkwing's habitat. I made it last weekend because, you know, I couldn't leave the poor bird just in this teeny tiny cage. And way up there is where he fell out of his nest. It was after a monsoon. We've been having monsoons, and every morning I would come out here and think, oh no, is today the day we're going to find the bird on the ground? And then one morning, sure enough, there he was. So I put him in his basket here. He doesn't seem to like his basket, but I put the leaves in there like he was laying on the table. And look at him, he's all kind of bedded down. Isn't that cute? Maybe you like those leaves, huh? All right, well, it is getting to be dusk now. Leave it to it. Bed down for the night. See you in the morning, Darkwing.